Welcome to Anatomy Awakened. If you're passionate about learning the incredible anatomy of the human body, hit that subscribe button for more bite-sized lessons and deep dives. Let's explore together. 1. What is the primary function of red blood cells? A. Fight infection. B. Transport oxygen. C. Form clots. D. Remove toxins. The correct answer is B. Transport oxygen. Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body and return carbon dioxide to the lungs. 2. Which of the following is part of the axial skeleton? A. Femur. B. Humerus. C. Skull. D. Radius. The correct answer is C. Skull. The axial skeleton includes the skull, vertebral column, and rib cage, supporting the central axis of the body. 3. What is the main function of the liver? A. Produce insulin. B. Filter blood and detoxify chemicals. C. Produce digestive enzymes. D. Store oxygen. The correct answer is B. Filter blood and detoxify chemicals. The liver filters blood coming from the digestive tract and detoxifies harmful substances, metabolizes drugs, and produces bile for digestion. 4. Where in the body are alveoli located? A. Heart. B. Brain. C. Lungs. D. Liver. The correct answer is C. Lungs. Alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs where gas exchange, oxygen and carbon dioxide, occurs. 5. Which hormone is produced by the pancreas to regulate blood sugar levels? A. Adrenaline. B. Insulin. C. Thyroxine. D. Estrogen. The correct answer is B. Insulin. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that helps regulate glucose levels in the blood. 6. How many chambers are there in the human heart? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. The correct answer is C. 4. The human heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles, which help circulate blood throughout the body. 7. Which part of the skeleton protects the brain? A. Rib cage. B. Pelvis. C. Skull. D. Spine. The correct answer is C. Skull. The skull encases and protects the brain from injury. 8. What is the primary function of the kidneys? A. Digestion. B. Filtration of blood. C. Production of hormones. D. Oxygen transport. The correct answer is B. Filtration of blood. The kidneys filter waste products from the blood and excrete them as urine. 9. Which muscle is responsible for breathing? A. Biceps. B. Diaphragm. C. Trapezius. D. Quadriceps. The correct answer is B. Diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that contracts and flattens during inhalation, allowing the lungs to expand. The correct answer is C. Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joints allow for a wide range of movement in multiple directions, such as in the shoulder and hip. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this anatomy breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. See you in the next lesson.